We dey salute una for outside the country people dem. Na Black Monday for people dem wey dey sit down for mile 90 for Nsongwa for that side. So for Bamenda Northwest region, we dey hear say at least 5 people dem die after wey some people dem with gun attack for some bar. E be dey na yesterday Sunday, breaking this morning time. We go take una go for that side as so we start this morning time. And we dey hear to say for side for Pin, na uniform people dem wey they don help some people dem dey be thief go hide them since for plenty time. Them say they don't free as we tori dey enter for we ear. We go remain for Bamenda for tell una that chapter. Tori for outside Bamenda country people them. We go take una enter for South region where we dey hear say people them where they look out light for we country. Them say they don't start give small dough for people them where it dey so they be owe them. We go talk that palaver for this afternoon. Latest update for Corona we go talk, and Sabi Seb say Sufai Cardinal Christian to me, it don't start in last waka on top this wealth will dey for inside country people them. Newspaper, if we get time, we go look inside the different newspaper the way they dey for inside Tori House this afternoon. Big people them talk, country people them, e come out now for side where they call them say market for Madagascar for Yawende, and it talk for we say waiting. No matter the kind of way you show goat, say you like them, if you keep your corn for ground, e go so chop am. I say no matter the kind of love where you show am for your goat, if you keep your corn for ground, the goat e go so chop am. Now Oga Tepong Ezekiel for that side, so for Marche Madagascar for Yawende, he send am for we. We dey turn back small time with all the complete Tori for Tori House. Plenty glad for meet up una country people dem. Na Equinox Tori House we don start for blow Tori for this side. Chapter 1, we go start now with this money wey dey so. People dem for Sonatral, they don't start for pay for population for that side, so for South region, as we Tori enter we here. Sabi say the people dem too, they dey work in line with people dem they dey give light for we country, and plenty of the people dem, they be don't take people dem land, they be don't pass for people they have done up, broke their house, where they no be don't give them small dough for do compensate. Just now, official compensate, it dey happen for side for Kribi, when a Sonatral people themselves help, they dey do am, and this one now for say make trouble, they when the people them for Sonatral, they want start for continue for do their work. Plenty name them day where they get for Giam, I give them small money, as well you see all that paper them so that file now only name for people them where they get for give them that small thing them so they be talk for Tori House to say make Tori House it can pass, it see am. Make they no talk after say they never give them, or make some person e no go sit down for some site e talk say na another man e be take e own dough. So now they do that where they give am for compensate people the way they go surely can chakara their land them or house them small time, or one them where they don't push them come up for their bush just for sake of say they want give you light for inside we country. We enter just now from Nsongwa for mile 90 Bamenda. Now the first image that we wanna be see this morning time for Equinox Tori House concerning the thing wey be happen for that side. So for Nsongwa mile 90, we say land for day where population just wake up. Oh man, he just put hand for a ways, he full hand. He talk say na which kind of thing be this where it don't happen again inside we country. Which kind of thing will no go see a mommy then says then they cry. With the year say na shooting where it be passed for inside place where they call am saying Songwa. Manadin make we continue from top this chapter as we talk for now. Songwa be there upside down. Yes. All people them they come out now. People them that way they die. Where we hear say they shoot them yesterday. Breaking this morning time. Tori way enter we here for side for my 19 Songwa. It tell for we say this. So some uniform people they be go drink for inside some bar. After the uniform people them come out, they talk say some other people the way they do with gun they come shooting. It start happen after where the uniform people them they be already come out inside the bar. as well that shooting be the pass, we hear say at least 5 people them they were bullets, it touch them where they die, and other one them day where they get caught. So for this matter for inside Songwa my 90, one of the persons them this where it dey so bullet be touch him, make una no fear. They be already cover lapa for skin before we land when a bullet where they attack yesterday night, breaking this Sunday morning time as we a Tori enter for inside we ear. So this one he make am talk say my 90 Songwa now for inside black, all money dey inside today, darkness some kind of what thing so where they carry more than 5 people them, so country people they take am go for inside co-house for that side. So for Songwa now another woman that way own pikin die, he just decide for she done with the die body them inside motor for sika say he own self he no knows which way really pass. Now all people they don't dey ask wetin these people them do, who side they gun them, the boy the way they come out can shoot gun, who side them come out. Now for sika say uniform people they can't drink inside the bar way he make and they can't attack, or some other thing e dey na thing that way people them they never fit for talk. So now the way that way people them from Songwa my 90 Bamenda they wake up this early morning time as way Tori he enter we ear, all people then they don't fear. Yes, now the name that for people them where they no be sabi Songwa my 90. Today na country Sunday, all roads e be dey quiet, but sabi say inside quarter na cry e be dey day. We be waka nayo, we can meet us some people they say when they turn up they talk the same thing. They told you I don't the blow for this side as well the thing it happen for that side. So for inside Songwa where they try for explain as well the thing it pass. But sabi say after we will be come out, after we camera say he come out on top these people there they be try for discuss. We say we turn up for try for here. Wait where the people they try for talk for we for that side. So for Songwa where they talk say now so the people then come, now so the thing pass, and now so too the shooting is start for happen. We fit start work as small manadin, we start work as small. We see one of the house away now for day where shooting it be pass as we Tori enter for inside we ear. All that red way they see am so na blood e dey so don't cross quick na blood way be come out for that door. Now no be na paint una see am so for domo for that door wey una just for come out for see am na blood e don't flow all e come out for ground as we Tori enter for inside we ear. And all people them from Songwa just now, all man e don't confuse on top this matter again where it happened for inside Songwa yesterday breaking this morning time. Make we hear wait to wait some mommy says for inside Songwa it talk for we.
First time when that woman now tell me say the more of die people there. I said that you when I we one. She said something they woman now. I said then they no call me. I want to come again say mama dede. I said which mama? I never get bridesmaid we get on marketplace just the
Master Colin. What we see now?
You surely be happy how people die by their picking the family.
I tell you, mommy, it's God grace. We has no dirty. If we has be dirty, like say, we too for the cry. But as we has no dirty, we thank God plenty. No matter the injury we get am. So God be in control.
As mommy talk for the country people, sabi say some one then two the day where they get caught, like the woman owner just see am way wear red. He be run, and as we be run, we get a case for that side for a court. Person we get caught for that side, we get people then to get caught. Yes, like the woman owner the see am just now. Now he own caught that way he get am for his skin, and it shows say maybe he be the run come out for inside the place before he fall. Then it did so he get that caught for a corner belly as one I don't see him, and even for a hand way he show we as we get caught. So nothing that way pass for inside Songwa my 90 Bamenda this early yesterday breaking this Sunday. So Songwa a day for black, a day for cry after we at least 5 of you picking them. All them they die with the toxin as some people that would gone where they come shoot them. Now for another end, na pass mark where uniform people then say they get. You see General Nka Valer and Oga Ekongwese and even the other big man for Shandam people the way they did. Them say they be make some operation where it happened for that side, so for Pinyin, for inside Northwest region. And after where them finish make them, you go count the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 people them way this so they be don't thief go hide them long time. We just now uniform people the way they enter inside bush for that side, so for Pinyin, so they catch they help them, they come out and inside the same matter they shooting it be happen according to the report where pass all man say be glad. So now the parents them that and brother them for that people there they be don't thief them go hide them since where them say they glad for come see their picking them again after plenty weeks and when they be thief go hide them, so it be then a be glad for that side, so for Gendarme big people them office for inside Bamenda this week. And as we uniform people them enter for inside camp for boys them where they the whole gone, then they help this one the way they be don't catch them since they lock them keep them for backside. Sabi say for the time where they be there for inside their own prison, we hear say someone then day where they be cut their ear them and other one the day where every day they be get a knocking casting go under their foot with collars as we Tori enter we hear one of the boy them he talk for we how it take money enter for inside that camp.
Me I get for the men now ministry them. When we over and they will find way we go make a me country they fine. I think that me around this because even a 10 minutes for you, so let me say go and if you go. No because when I come go they will cut my end. Even the seminars so they just finish me finish. So I know if you go me no place again. I'm more remain now with them. Maybe and they find out look what they work do and what mommy what part them or brother them. The cash some we cut like the example my ear, cut someone their hand them, beat them with collars. Send me our day so my foot them. Collars they don't nang me with them no thing for talk. Some my colleague they say there for you so where they one lock they come it on me. We say go all them kind of work come it on me for say. If you ask them, they will tell you how they will knock me. All day they move me give me collars 50, 60 big collars under my foot. I said all the one have waiting.
Yes, now one of the people them that way come out for inside that trap as we uniform people then come. Now some of the thing them this where the uniform people then say they come out for inside the camp as we they show we as so una see all that iron them so and bullets. Now as we shooting it be they happen between the uniform people them and boy the way they do it gone way after they say some of them they run. This one na iron where they use for put them for inside their own country iron. We when they shoot them in the bus box tire them as we at Oriental for ESO do one them too now their own small and green bar where they tie them on top their gun way anything we touch it must to touch it do bad and even that collars plus this cable them some of the thing that with the uniform people them take them from the boy their hand that Okada we wanna see them too now Okada for one of the boy them as we uniform people them report it talk and a boss man they put them on top this Okada in him as we wanna see a with on our own kuro eye for that side so for Bamenda. Make we hear with brother just now, it tell we as we the thing it be happen.
The girl will move my head. The first time you the first one with me. For quarter a day for say 1 month something. A day all of his other they say. I said all the one I say wait if you man don't like something or know something. Then the problem I beg. The other time I said they will take me come on my head for market. Now all that they just let me as she don't go inside. I say finally God make a ministry come. That they save me and they save me that they have no say but that day I will die before they can't save me. Move we I will there for you so we give thank you for ministry then. Coffee not of them like man we don't die.
So which place were you from?
For Pinyin.
What's the meaning for the camp?
For Pinyin. For Asu.
They be take you so they tell you your crime. Why they want cut your head?
Say I'm a be with them. Say I'm a be with them. I deny.
You don't first be with them?
Say will be with them. I deny. I order. I deny the only thing you put out say. Nang me do all kinds of my skin. Say they will move my hand for market setup. I say, okay. I never forgot. Military finally come. God make a military can't take me for their hand. That they shoot, they run and the military come. We shout for say. So now we did for say military come out.
Yes, and you don't talk say no go comot again. He go remain for inside uniform. People them come better. Waiting up one of the papa them for this picky with the Tifam. He talk to for we make we hear.
That day, I said up to date, I get fever. That's up from that day to today. I never even feel even appetite. I lost even appetite for chop, anything, nothing, no activity, no farm work. So what I do? No, I just should me like a fool. So when I just wake up, so I just think after some time you see how my head would start hot. I will be weak, either I will sleep, woke up, shit down, only like that. So I don't give me anything again for do. I don't be me stranded. I don't defeat me. So something of day we have to do again than praying. If don't be once, we picking them, they go on a farm someday. They go catch them, take bikes, go away with. So this is the second time now where at the years they don't even can't where they can't enter for compound for night. Then they take the wolf in them. Where would they compound to? No man no here. That just breaking one time, all man will be surprised. I not even hear you sound. Although I hear bikes them, but Naruto will be where the passy. So feel the check about. Go back they ever pass sometime. Even for Sunday night they were picking them too. They work go them sometime for their dancing places. They come back. But this very night, we just woke up in like a magic. Because no person know here. You see no person. But now say you see a picking. That one no see. So now say we pass we don't know what we will do.
Yes, par for one of the picking them way they so the thief go hide way they free now. It be the talk for we. We'll be put microphone to form up for one of the mommy them. Make we hear way to talk for we.
Our brothers and sisters, them way they here, attend our ship. For this will be king. We don't know. We be just she don't so we don't know place where they day. As we don't hear news today, say they day for you. So all we will be happy for come for you for see them. As we want come, we don't see them. So we the thank God and we the pray God say, may God help me all people where they day for you. Say make their work me it gonna before and with the great. Even the community, they the glad. Say, may God open one eye. May one eye won't find.
Tell we how
I be here say they don't see the big king, so I be glad so te. I did so I be in a high blood pressure. I be glad so te. I still fall down. I want.
Now, make we hear wait with the one of the big people them for the uniform people. He talk for we concerning this surprise work away they be making for Pinyin. We'll be talk to with big man Oga Ekongwese Divine.
For Northwest and Southwest, but they face problem for terrorism and particularly for Northwest of recent, we receive information and we even for social media say those terrorists they no want make moto comot Bafusam can reach for Bamenda or vice versa and say that they be patron them way they handle that road. Say the one only motorcycle and taxi people may they pass for that road. All we don't see them. All people don't hear. Bamenda population don't hear. The whole world don't hear. Say now they plan that for the terrorists. So in the fight for this against this terrorism for a long time, we have forces on the ground. That road where they talk, we already get forces already. But I say this time we reinforce them. For make them make them know say they be nothing. We get planification what they do all the time. And this time we target Pinyin because we don't get some information concerning Pinyin. And so we don't send task force for Pinyin. We don't go liberate 9 hostages, then neutralize some of those people and collect their war arsenal. We will not already see them. So we think say the nothing she done be like say that it defy we.
Now, Oga Ekongwe say, you just come off for talk. Terry, waiting be the warning for the boys them now. Make we try for ye the warning we Oga Ekongwe say idigiam for boys the way the duty gone for Northwest in particular. We go surely return back for that interview for Oga Ekongwe say for Sikasi as we just come off for talk. We talk say they no go remain for the year now from boys them. It be take time to forgive small warning for boys them and na so too a promise
of defense and security wherever where the population be disturbed, we will make sure so we reach for the even if not for any hole. So now the message that and say we thank the population for the collaboration where they give them. But one tell them say we need more collaboration because as my colleague Jelanka talk, we get to liberate the people of the Northwest from this bondage, from this slavery. We get to liberate them. Whether those boys, bad boys, they like them or not, we cannot march according to their rhythm. They will march according to the rhythm of our people, of the Cameroon people, and particularly the people of the Northwest.
Okay. If we don't finish with that side, but we'll never finish complete with Northwest region, even as we will surely turn back for day tomorrow. Sabi say people them too for me the know, fear be there for their mind. Pa one start talk, but some more time, on a situation go happen, pa go here, pap. He go level, he go run enter, he say no, as we pa the one goes on a gun the hala. People them for me do know they become for inside fun a palace for side for Mancon where the one can't complain why they never finish for fix the 8 kilometers road for come up from mile 8 so they reach for Mancon but gone way hala for outside. All man he enter for inside he own end for say all man he want they save. Una say I'm say cheer them all they empty. But after the talk say lie to lie they no go left in them so they so come back for can she done with the phone for Mancon for talk for ye. Sabi say as we pass everyone talk with gun is start hala way 2 ship go for back. You una see you know easy you know easy you will never be for day you know go understand what way it means say gun he hala for your ear. So when part 2 hear gun they enter for inside own end na for understand. So the main reason now for them for talk why would they never fit for fix roads from mile 8 so they reach for man confirm palace but the small talk where they come for talk it no be over waka fine after we gone to it be hala population self for man con they no be fit for commode them all plenty just for sika fear the fun to don't talk and they pray say make peace it come and the people then too for me do know they plan say anytime where peace it turn back they go come for continue their work for on top that 8 kilometers road for reach inside Fun Palace for side for Mancon. We go come up for then one time. We enter for different chapter and this other one for Bamenda. As we place in the hut. Now so to picking them too. The day where they don't disappear for that side. So for Bamenda. So these two picking them. Now boy and girl with the years since yesterday. Whether now they gone way be the hala. They picking them the common house. No person no sabi sorry they picking them to the day. So they beg just now. Say if you don't see this picking. Just try for find out for call ambassador for this side so for Tory House or you go report them for any Tory House or inside Bamenda. Come to people them. We don't finish for that side. We go enter for Douala just now for tell us say rain it before this morning time and people they be there first for command their slippers for food. They work for inside water rain. Nothing where would they ever talk all time where rain in the fall. Time where rain don't start for enter for people them house. Now that time we go see big people. They go start turn the talk say we go do time where place it dry. Place it don't dry so the rain don't start for. Trouble so day. Right. People that sabi this place for right. Whether now which kind of company where they give them work for say make they work this right. Now lock up. For say can say all time where rain it fall. Water them to turn up for the place where they call them say right. Whether na say they no be sabi say they get for pool water hole for the place for say make water pass na your no ask ambassador. But rain don't start fall again. And small time we go see say when another heavy rain fall, it enter for people their house, it chakaratin them. That time the mayor they will come out. They say mayor the way they don't come out go bro house. Last time they say they go come fix gutter hole them. Now rain don't start fall again, and people them for Douala 4, they don already start for suffer the same suffer wey they be fair get before they talk say they go can open them gutter hole. So now just for we for look inside the matter, and even minister wey the get power for road work, he get for follow up on top this road, particularly for Rai, where they just come up for fix away water. It is also continue for turn up for one place all time. Country people them, we go come up for that side, we enter for this problem for warming them where it is so Jandam then says they be there for school with other people they dey for inside the binet for sell whiskey and other wine them for inside we country. All the time them we dey ever talk as well they don't go see wine whiskey wey na one way they make am for backside, and even one the way it thief enter for country where sometimes they no find. So it be there na some special school for all these people them where they try for go look inside this matter where gendarme people them too they strive for talk for people them how they go manage sabi true whiskey and whiskey one as sabi say inside we country. All things they possible. So now for see why that way they be host Mondonga men for try for talk for even people the way they get snack them big bar where they sell the whiskey. Say make themselves they shine their eyes so that they no go the follow up anytime when they come. They go so come for can complain. The same thing for them. Now why that way this Ndonga men too it be pass with gendarme and even people the way they dey inside binet for bar and other thing the way they sell the kind of hot mimbo them and even wine for that side for Yawinde. Latest update for corona, also get this number 19 day for April, 142,018,609 people where they don't catch corona since we come inside the whole world. 120,568,126 people they don't well. 3,033,109 people they don't die since corona it enter inside the whole world. Also get the latest update from Johns Hopkins University. For Cameroon, another dose for vaccine, it don't enter for we country. After the first one we come up for China, where they call them say Sinopharm for give a vaccination for this corona. Number 2 vaccine, it don't enter, and at the same vaccine where they be don't talk for us, I say vaccine it do the one, where they call them say AstraZeneca. Yes, AstraZeneca vaccine too, it enter for we country. On Saturday, number 17 day inside this very month. So now the number 2 vaccine this where Cameroon go to take them and Sabi say no end for year. Some other vaccine then they like Johnson and Johnson where Cameroon too it don't order them. This one na Minister for Sick People Manauda Malashi he go take them. Sabi say the first one when na Sinopharm na Oga Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph Zongute he be there for airport for go talk come good. For the first one way it become. And for Ivory Coast, 41 people they already test them positive for corona on Sunday. 65 people them well, no person no die. 157 people they on top sick bed as all the talk just now. 45,560 people they don't catch corona for Ivory Coast since we reached for day. 45,129 people they don't well. 274 people that already died since corona it enter for inside Ivory Coast as we Tori enter we here. For Nigeria, 26 new cases already confirmed on Sunday, and Sabi say total for Nigeria 164,233 people that already catch sick since we come. 154,332 people that don't well, and 2,061 people that don't die since we corona it enter for inside Nigeria country people them. South Africa associam on Sunday 1,089 people that already test them positive for corona. 1,566,769 people them now them say we day so they don't catch the corona since we come. 1,490,143 people that don't well, and 53,736 people that don't die for South Africa since we corona it enter for inside the country last year as we Tori enter for we year. Now we enter for this Workaway Minister for Sports and Physical Education, Chief Professor Narcisse Mwele-Kombi may come again for Olembe Field. Sabi say Professor Narcisse Mwele-Kombi and Chief, he don't talk say no one she done for under air conditioner. Then it is also she done the hope say till where they talk for he say they go finish the work quickly before January he go be. So he don't the tonton just now for say make he no get high blood for last minute. Say they never finish do the work and Sabi say Olembe Field he get for host the African Nations Cup where Cameroon he be get for happen and for 2021 where they push up for 2022 country people them and after we finish do work for field it be get time to for talk with people them where they work with McGill and it be been a time too for the people them to for talk their last belly problem as we minister become and minister don't assure them he don't talk for them say make them no fear saying governor he go put money so that they do the work quick for sake say they don't want any fail for inside this matter as we Atori enter for insights we hear on top this matter. So now they feel that for Olembe for daytime as well now the Siam for evening time too we be ton take photo for day for evening time. Now the small field that now the big field that for Olembe for evening time when I go see say they don't already cover the field but just now till we left now plenty work them for inside and outside the field and even place where people that will park plus the 5-star hotel we will get them with better bed the way they day inside. So the field for Olembe as well I don't see them. It already turn up, the small picking own, 9 be that, and the big one for corner. So minister, he say no one left, no nothing. He want just continue for the work, for say make they no disgrace am. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon country people them, but also talk for now, make una no forget. Die body for Sufai, Christian Cardinal Tumi, he don't come up for military hospital since 11 o'clock and as soon as Sabi, die body day already for St. Peter and Paul's Cathedral, now for inside Aqua, as we all people then say the day. We get the first prayer, we go happen for Emmanuel Macron country talk. Number 2 prayer go happen for Queen Elisa country talk, and tomorrow the funeral, the cry die for Christian Tumi, he go continue. Sufai, Cardinal Christian Tumi go continue. By morning time, even as the image already enter for house, by morning time we go turn back on top that matter. Sabi say na one of the Tory them that for inside Cameroon today. Big thank you for Francis Boyom, where he put camera for me before. Derek, he be there too for backside. Malice and Nadine, all them, they be join hand for say make Tory, he waka fine. If Papa God agree, now for Tuesday for morning time we go meet up. When I hold am tight for outside.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte. De lundi à vendredi sur Equinox Télévision.
Cameroonians knows that coronavirus is mystical because the Spanish bird flu that appeared in 1918 killed a lot of Cameroonians and there was no advancements in technology.
Le fait que le gouvernement disent simplement que il faut que les gens il faut se laver les mains, il faut cela ne suffit pas parce que il n'y a aucun peuple au monde qui est suffisamment discipliné pour subir ou bien pour éradiquer une pandémie. Donc il faut passer par des mesures fortes.
Des festivals continuent à être organisés, on organise des concerts. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Vous ne pouvez pas dire aux citoyens, le 17 mars 2020, que vous ne devez pas vous réunir à plus de 50 personnes. Au bout d'un an, on ne sait pas quand la décision a été levée. Personne n'en sait rien. The vaccines that are to be given to us, Saleh Leader proposed a protocol that were embezzled by the government. Dr. Payum proposed a protocol. The government did not look into it. We don't consume what we have at home.
Bonsoir à tous, bienvenue sur le plateau Equinox Soir, votre décryptage quotidien de l'actualité de lundi à vendredi, 19h, 21h, 18h, 20h, Greenwich Mean Time.
Bonsoir à tous. 60 ans après l'indépendance du Cameroun, la nation entière traverse des zones de forte turbulence. Une frange de l'opinion s'inquiète de l'effritement de la cohésion sociale et également les fissures qui se dessinent sur l'unité nationale. Ces inquiétudes prennent de l'ampleur au moment où le pays est plongé dans une guerre fratricide entre l'armée camerounaise et les groupes séparatistes. Ces 3 ans d'affrontements armés ont engendré, selon les organisations internationales, plus de 2000 morts et des centaines de milliers de déplacés dans le nord-ouest et le sud-ouest, 2 régions économiquement sinistrées. Les cris de détresse des populations victimes des affres de cette guerre, les critiques de l'opposition, le plaidoyer de la société civile et la pression de la communauté internationale ont amené à l'organisation du grand dialogue national. 7 mois après ces assises, la paix définitive n'est pas toujours de retour. L'optimisme du gouvernement se heurte à l'assassinat des autorités locales, notamment celle du maire de Manfé. À cette gestion de la situation sécuritaire s'ajoute une gouvernance mise à rude épreuve sur le plan économique, politique, sanitaire et éducatif. Pourquoi le Cameroun, le pays où foisonne le plus de talents au kilomètre carré, pourquoi ce pays peine à sortir du sous-développement? Le système éducatif a-t-il échoué dans la construction d'une véritable nation camerounaise? Comment le rêve des héros nationaux s'est-il effondré dans un pays où presque rien ne semble avoir bougé depuis de nombreuses années? Au-delà de ce bras de fer entre l'opposition et les pouvoirs publics, sur des intérêts souvent égoïstes, que font les intellectuels et les universitaires pour sortir le pays du chaos et éclairer les Camerounais à la lumière de leurs connaissances? Ce soir, c'est l'heure de vérité pour un universitaire chevronné et spécialiste des littératures africaines. Pour cette émission La Vérité en face sur Equinox Télévision, l'invité ce soir, c'est le professeur Ambroise Com. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, Monsieur Noufélé, et merci de votre invitation.
Je précise que vous êtes professeur, spécialiste des littératures africaines. Vous êtes auteur de nombreux ouvrages sur Chester Himes, George Lemming et surtout Mongo Betty. À travers cet ouvrage, 40 ans d'écriture, 60 ans de dissidence, en hommage à ce célèbre écrivain. Je citerai également quelques ouvrages très célèbres que vous